Welcome to another video in our series, where we answer your most burning questions about enterprise maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're tackling a common inquiry many of you have. How much should I spend on maintenance for my facility? While you might hope for a direct answer, the reality is a bit more nuanced. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have 7 key guidelines to help you set a realistic maintenance budget for your organization. Maintenance costs can vary greatly depending on a number of factors. For instance, an apartment complex in a high-production manufacturing facility will have vastly different maintenance needs. Similarly, a brand new facility that's been well maintained will have lower costs compared to an older, neglected one. Even your location can impact your costs, with labor in a small Midwest town likely being cheaper than on the coast. But don't worry, we're not leaving you in the dark. We have 7 key guidelines that can help you set your maintenance budget, no matter what type of organization you're running. First off, evaluate the current state of your business and identify the critical maintenance items that need attention. This is crucial to ensure your organization remains viable and doesn't lose ground year over year. Secondly, foster a proactive corporate culture. The right attitude from management down to technicians can significantly impact your long-term maintenance spending. Third, invest in an effective preventive maintenance system or a predictive maintenance system. These tools can help you plan, identify, schedule, perform, and record maintenance tasks automatically. Fourth, establish effective metrics in your computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to improve your maintenance planning and continue enhancing performance. Fifth, create robust failure and loss elimination programs and execute them accordingly. This can help prevent costly repairs and replacements down the line. Sixth, when designing maintenance programs, consider the lifecycle cost of your assets, not just the initial cost. This can help you set appropriate tasks and budgets. And finally, prevent unnecessary damage to your assets by implementing clear, concise, and understandable operating procedures. By following these 7 guidelines, your organization will be well on its way to setting a reasonable maintenance budget. Not only that, but you'll be setting your sights on reducing costs while improving performance in the future. So get started today and make the most of your maintenance budget. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. We covered how to set a realistic maintenance budget for your organization, the importance of a proactive corporate culture, the role of preventive and predictive maintenance systems, and the value of effective metrics in your CMMS. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these. Visit us at upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams. Until next time, keep up the good work.